Welcome back everyone. Today I will be presenting a new component called Smart Live Notification, which will display the information to all the business users in real time. The benefit of this component is to provide an organization-wide information to all the business users in real time. Some of the use cases are: inform all the business users before closing any organization-wide registrations, notify all the business users for any new news articles published across the organization, inform all the business users for some urgent or emergency information, and many more such cases. Let's jump into the demo and see how business users will receive a live notification whenever a new item is added to the SharePoint list or the Pages library. To show a demo in real time, here I have opened two windows. One is the SharePoint component and another one is the SharePoint out-of-the-box list. Let's add a new item and see how business users will receive notification. Here I have some sample content which I can use for this demo. Let's copy the first one and create a new item. If we observe, as soon as we add a new item, it will trigger a notification alert to the user, and user can view how many unread news are present. User can either choose view now or maybe later. This notification will be displayed until user clicks on view now. Once user clicks on view now, the unread news will be displayed. Let's add some more items and see how notifications are received. Now this time I choose maybe later option and add some more sample content. Now click on view now and read all the unread news. Thanks for watching this demo and see you in the next demo.